Welcome back to Signature Series Rigs. We came back to the junkyard. We might have to rescue this one. Some of you guys seen that short video. So, let's see how far we can get. We're going to try to fire this thing up. See if she'll turn over, see if she'll run. I don't know, but here we go. Need a stick for that. This ought to work. See if we can get some batricity to her. Go see if I can find Dad. He runned off.
You can smell the gas and which tank it's on and everything else.
What do you want to do?
Something to stand on.
Which side are you going to? Little sidewinder right there, boy. About the very practice you're gonna get, I think.
Totally up to you now.
Hey, I'm just along for the ride. You know, if it was me, I'm gonna be honest with you, I'd have already turned the key.
Well, we got to put a little gas in the carburetor.
I would have tried it just because. That's what I'm talking about.
Don't be scared.
Nope. I'm more scared of stepping on the step and it falling through.
I don't know what they're hooked to.
Got nothing there.
Got no power. I don't know what I was looking for. Lights in it. Wait. Here
I don't remember. There we go.
Right.
That don't sound too good. Started not catching.
Just try sometimes.
Say you think we need to try to move and move it.
Oh, you need to turn the motor back.
There we go. Sound like it grinded a little harder.
Yeah. Wasn't quite cunty enough.
Nope. I'm gonna look in the red trunk too.
Figure out what size nuts on the bottom of that harmonic bouncer. And turn it. We'd be better off. We might have some stuck spot.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. It ain't stuck.
Yeah, that doesn't sound good, does it? Rod, maybe?
I didn't even know if the motor spun.
Something. Did something.
I turned it.
It ran when it was parked. Just missing a couple of the rods now, maybe. I don't know. Safe spot.
crank's not turning. I bet you the flywheel is stripped, or either the starter's loose and it's not in contact.
Look at that exhaust.
Where it bolts to the crankshaft, and this flywheel is spinning across the hedges of the bolts. I'll hook the key if you want to listen to it out here.
Yeah. Fine. Huh. You're right, crank is definitely not turning.
That's what it sounded to me like the flywheel is totally fucked. And I mean, I've seen them crack all around those crankshaft bolts. I've seen just microscopic cracks that look like little rust things running away. And the reason I've seen that, I pulled the engine out to change it because it had a rod knot. It wasn't a rod knot. It was that. Let me see. As soon as you accelerate, it would go away, and the oil pressure was fine. But it sounded just like a rod knot. So I bet you that's what's wrong. Somebody's put this motor together, put that back in there, and the bolts were not right. They were not tight. And broke them.
Well, it looks like we're not going to get this one started today, but that's okay. We still might save it. We'll see.